Unlock your inner artist and bring your wildest ideas to life with OpenAI's revolutionary Sora Image Generator. Let's dive into creating stunning visuals from text descriptions. The first crucial step in harnessing Sora's power is prompt engineering. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want. Start with clear and specific language instead of a dog. Try a golden retriever puppy playing fetch in a sun-drenched park, its tongue lolling out. The more detail you provide, the better Sora can interpret your vision. Next, let's explore style customization. Sora isn't just about generating content. It's about generating content with a specific aesthetic. You can guide the AI by adding stylistic keywords to your prompt. For example, to achieve a particular look, you might add phrases like, "in the style of Van Gogh," a photorealistic portrait, or a low-poly 3D render. Experiment to find the artistic voice that resonates with you. Now, for some creative techniques to truly push the boundaries, think about the mood, lighting, and atmosphere you want to convey. Incorporate descriptors like cinematic lighting, ethereal glow, moody blues and purples, or a sense of wonder. You can also specify camera angles like a bird's-eye view or a close-up shot. Combine these elements. Detailed prompts, style preferences, and creative manifesto unlock new possibilities for artistic expression. The more you practice and experiment, the more breathtaking your creations will become. Start generating today and transform your imagination into captivating realities.